Take a ride in the 2003 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, traction control, power brakes, roof rack. Inside you'll find cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, center console. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.